Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Erin.
I'm Melissa.
And we are Two Sisters Artistry.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today, Erin recreated this candy corn eye look with headphones in. So if you guys want to see how she recreated this so effortlessly and perfectly, stay tuned. Keep on watching. So welcome back to our channel, guys. We have a really exciting giveaway for you guys for the holidays or Halloween holidays. I don't know.
It's a holiday for me. I like it.
Sounds weird saying the holidays, but for Halloween. So we're going to be giving you guys a bunch of foundations, moisturizers. I have a lippy and some makeup remover, moisturizer, perfume. So
all kinds of stuff.
The things. So we will tell you guys how to enter. Just stay tuned for details. Look at our Insta, follow our Facebook as well. The details will be there. If you guys want some stuff for the free, we got you.
Yep.
And today, Erin is going to try to recreate this candy corn fantasy on her eye with headphones on. So she's not going to know what I'm saying. I mean, hopefully she'll figure it out so that her eye comes out the same. She does get 2 tries to like get some help, so you can tell me.
Okay.
Like, okay, I need
no
help
idea
here.
what you're saying.
Yeah, literally no idea. And the bad thing is, I feel like my lips don't move properly.
They don't.
For words.
Nope. They do not.
So you're gonna have a fun time. But
Yeah.
yes, she can ask for help twice, and I can give her a hint whether it's what kind of an eye it is or what shadow or where. So.
Luckily, my eyeballs work, and I can like look at her eyes and see kind of what's happening. But I want to try to do it.
I'm gonna have to like over exaggerate my mouth like blue. So have fun. I think it's gonna come out great. I believe in her. We've got some 90s rock alternative going in her earballs, really loud.
Earballs.
So
yeah.
Earballs.
Stuff.
Okay.
Bye guys.
So we're gonna hop right in.
Right.
Start. Oh, you know what? I forgot to mention that.
It's not on yet, so I can still hear you.
Okay, cool. She does have 2 palettes and like 4 lippies, so I didn't just give her like just the one palette to use. So she does have to kind of figure it out. So yeah, she's got options, guys. She's gonna have to figure it out. Except for I'm gonna have my brushes that are like color coded right now.
Is it working? I don't know.
No.
Here we go.
Hopefully at the bottom. Oh Jesus, that is loud. I can hear it over here. Ready? Well, she can't hear me if she's ready. She's ready. Okay. So we're gonna start on the eyes. So
No idea.
on your eyes,
Okay.
you're gonna start with orange.
Okay.
I mean scratch. Yellow. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yellow.
Okay. Are you gonna tell me like where to?
Oh,
put
yeah.
it to?
So you're gonna start with yellow from Lunar Beauty. Wow. Hi. Yeah, she got it right. Ding, ding, ding.
Okay.
So
Yellow
yes.
from Lunar Beauty.
From Lunar Beauty.
Okay.
It's gonna go on half of your eyelid on the inner part.
Sure. All right.
You can. I've got faith in you. So basically, I just put the yellow on half of my eyelid right here and stopped. Because I feel like if you start with a bright color, then you add a darker color, it's more visible. I'm just chatting with them. You just do your thing.
Okay.
You just keep doing you.
So I don't know if I'm too loud or not.
No, you're great.
Okay, cool. So I'm assuming we're going here.
Yep, there you go.
With the yellow.
I promise it's a little more complicated than just yellow and orange, but we'll get there. Keep going.
Oh.
Also, I should
I
say,
was like, I think, am I done?
I would pat it on.
Well, then I have to look at you. What?
Pat it on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I guess I shouldn't hand motion it. That kind of gives it away. Pat it on. Pat it on.
Y'all, I love this yellow. It's so awesome.
I know. It's a really good yellow.
Don't talk to me unless I'm looking at you, because I
Oh, I'm like talking to myself over here. You're doing so good. You're doing great, sweetie. Okay, done with yellow for now. I forget she can't hear me. I'm just talking. So next, you're gonna go with orange. Yes, from the 35B, and you're gonna just put it on the outer corner. fill in the rest of your eye with orange. Can you hear me? No, she can't.
I heard orange,
Yep, there you go.
so we're going there.
Yeah. I kind of wish I had the headphones on because I feel like it's probably fun. So I just took the orange on the other half of my eye just to give myself a shape first. This palette is amazing. It's a 35B. I'm sorry they don't make it anymore from Morphe. But they just came out with like 2 or 3 of their 35 colorful palettes. Perfect. It's kind of hard to
Like I
tell
said, thank God I could actually see your eyes right now.
Yeah.
I'm just going off of that. I have no idea what you're saying.
Oh, dang it.
Except for the colors. I got the colors.
Okay, yeah. Just wait till we get to the cut crease. She has no idea. If you guys have any other challenge challenge videos you want us to do, then please let us know. It's hard to get creative sometimes, so we want to keep putting out fun content for y'all. You're doing great, Cam. Great, sweetie. I did have to build that color up quite a bit. I want Erin back now. I'm like, okay, the headphones are done. You can come back now. Perfect.
The song is like changing, so I can hear you.
We come back now, Erin. I'm ready for the headphones to be off.
Okay.
Okay, are we? Okay, we're back in the music. Okay, so next you're going to do a cut crease.
Oh God, I'm pressing too many buttons. Okay.
Cut crease.
Sure. Say it again.
Cut crease.
Cut crease.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Oh, it's a half cut crease.
Sure. All right.
This is a lot harder than it sounds. I've never had to. Makeup words are hard to describe, I guess.
So I think I know what you said, but it doesn't make sense to do it the way you're saying.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make it up.
Okay, you just make it happen.
Because a cut crease would go like across the eye, and you already have makeup on the inner corner, so it looks like you just have like white in the middle. So I'm gonna do like a halo cut crease. That's not what you did. Okay.
Just do a cut crease. Just trust me.
Do a real cut crease.
Yes.
Okay. I
Trust.
just wasted a bunch of yellow shadow, so
No,
whatever.
trust, homie. So I did the cut crease that way because since the yellow's underneath it, when you lay it on top of it, you're going to have kind of like a yellow line on top of the cut crease to define it and make it look more shadowy, and so that your crease looks a little deeper, a little more cut creasy, I don't know. So she's going to do that, and I'll have her actually put yellow on top of that, so she has to dip into the yellow twice.
It's impossible to do a cut crease with your mouth closed.
Yeah.
Like, it's not a thing.
It's pretty much impossible to do anything on your eyes with your mouth closed. She's so talented, y'all. She can do all this one-handed, like her eyeliner, her cut crease. I'm over here, like, doing this whole pull action, which I know is, like, a no-no. Oh, yeah, there she goes. She ready? Let's do you. So, after she cuts her crease, I'm actually going to have her take white from the Lunar Beauty palette and put that on the whole entire portion where she just laid the concealer down. So that when she puts yellow on top of it, it'll be really vibrant and it'll be brighter than the yellow that we laid down underneath the concealer, and just leave the middle white. So she's kind of like recreating my look without knowing what I did.
Yes?
Yes.
Good enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now you're going to get white
Mm-hmm.
from Lunar Beauty
Okay.
and lay it on the whole cut crease.
I missed the last part. What was that?
White on the whole concealer part. White on the
White.
cut crease.
On the cut crease.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't remember what I used. Use this one with the concealer on it. Trust me. Maybe I shouldn't be directing her, but I'm just looking out. And the white, I had to lay down like pretty heavy because white is hard to make show up on top of like a nude concealer. It doesn't come out like white, so I had to do it several times to get it to show up as white as it is.
We're packing it on?
Yes. Pack that shib on. Also, we're back at Urban So Far, guys. Make sure you check out her store. She's got some amazing fall smells. She's got my favorite smell, actually, but I'll let you come check it out for yourself because, I mean, I don't want to sway you because I have the best taste in smells, but... Yep, she's doing it. She's doing it. I feel like I'm, like, guiding my toddler right now. Like, you can do it. She's, I don't know if she can hear me or not. I'm also a loud talker, so maybe. So then, next she's going to just take the yellow that she took from Lunar Beauty and just put it on her inner corners. Okay, so then yellow from Lunar Beauty on your inner corners. Right there.
Are we underneath the eye now?
No, on your eye. Yellow.
Okay. Yellow again,
Yes.
somewhere all over my face. Okay.
Yes. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so you're going to take a pencil brush,
Okay.
yellow on half of under your eye.
So she's like, take a pencil brush and then covers her whole mouth so I can't
Oh
understand
shit, I'm
what
sorry.
she's saying.
Okay, pencil brush,
Okay.
yellow on this part of your eye. Underneath
Making
the eye.
this up. I think she said pencil brush.
Yes, yes.
Yellow, inner corner of the eye.
Yes, kind of. And then orange on the outer part
With the same brush?
with the same brush.
Wow, that'll fall out with this brush.
Yes, well, this palette is very like...
Dusty.
So I just made the yellow match and orange match what I have on top. So I have yellow here and I made it match this way. Orange here, matching this way, just to make it more cohesive. Do you have the volume down right now?
No, I changed the song.
I thought she was a cheater, pumpkin eater.
I wasn't listening to you anyway.
Okay. Perfect.
My eyes are so dusty.
Love a dusty eye.
I can't hear anything you're saying, but I swear to God, you just said love a dusty eye.
I did!
Is that something she would say
Yeah,
after
I
I
did.
said to the guy?
Okay, perfect. Now, you're going to take Ofra highlight. Perfect.
Okay.
On the inner corner.
Okay, the only place it could go is the inner corner, so
Yes.
that's what we're doing with it. I got 2 turntables and a microphone. Okay.
Okay, then you're gonna do cat eye with liner. Oh, I didn't give you any liners. Whoopsies. Please stand by.
Oh.
She got the right one. I had 2 Kat Von D liners. I have the dagger liner and the tattoo liner. And the dagger liner just has this like angled edge on the brush, the same as it is on the cap. I don't know if you can see it, but great for cat eye, just not what I use today. Yep. Yep.
I like had to check, is my eyeliner good? Even though I do
She's like, "It's
eyeliner
just a
like
cat
every
eye."
day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna let her go ahead and just pop on lashes, and then we'll evaluate everything after her headphones
I have
are
a
off.
feeling we're popping on lashes.
No.
No?
Yes. Go ahead.
Oh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pop on lashes and I'm going down.
Yes. No, that's
Okay.
fine. I just was telling our audience that we're gonna pop on lashes, and we'll evaluate afterwards.
Cool.
So let's evaluate. Where's the mirror? Okay. Let me see. I think we're pretty dang close. Pretty matchy.
I think it's pretty close, but your cut crease is way better than mine. Probably because you took a lot longer to do it than
Yeah, I
I
was
did.
telling them while you were like doing it, I was like, look at this one-handed wonder doing it like this. I'm like, I'm in the mirror like this, trying to do my cut crease, and it took a hot minute. Yeah, it did. But the colors are on point.
Yep. I think that helps that we use the same colors.
Yes.
And you're right, I don't want to take this off.
I know.
Like, it's
so
so cute.
It's so Halloween, like,
Yeah.
but not like in a
I'll do
weird.
this again.
Same. Like I might do it tonight before the game.
Yes.
Yeah, because I have like my cute ears on. You know, I'm like. telling you, candy corn fantasy. She's living her best life.
It is pretty great. So that was fun. I'm deaf now, and
Yeah, that shit was loud. But it came out
but
great.
I thought that if I turned it down, I would be able to hear you.
Could you hear me? Like, did you know what I was saying, or were you just like winging it?
No idea.
Oh, okay,
Not a word.
great. So basically, I looked like an idiot. Like with your headphones on, she's like, couldn't understand what I'm saying.
Nope. I'm assuming you were talking to them some of the time. Like, I had no idea if you were even speaking.
Oh, okay.
So there's that.
But it came
It was
out
fun.
great.
I think we'll do this again in a different like challenge.
Yeah.
On the other side.
Yeah.
Let you do a video.
Yeah, I was just saying, I was like, I wish I was on the other side now because it seems kind of fun.
It is fun, but you know.
Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween month. We're so excited to continue
My favorite thing in the whole world.
the festive things, all of the Halloween looks. Just stay tuned for more fun Halloween makeup that we have coming up.
Yes.
And make sure that you like, subscribe, share the videos. If you guys do like them, give them a thumbs up. Otherwise, we don't know if we like them.
Exactly. And check in about our giveaway. It's really
Yes.
great stuff. I think you're going to really like it. And it's for free.
It is for free. I really, honestly, I wanted to keep it for myself because I love testing new stuff. But, you know, I felt like I have so much stuff.
Right.
I literally have no need for it. But there's like Dior foundation, Fenty, Smashbox, Lancome. There's a bunch of good stuff in there. So stay tuned for details, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Had an eye booger.
Yes.
And I got, like all over.
Love the eye booger.
That was so loud. Sorry.
I had an eye booger.
I was really excited about it.